It's you. It's you. Rosie. Wait. Who brought this guy here? Who the hell brought this guy here? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. It was you. It was you that day. It was you. It was you. It was... I can feel you. I can see that it was you. I still hear the voices, the screams that you made that night. It was you. It was you. You made me lose myself. You cornered me. You made me think I'm useless. You made me feel like a bitch. You made me a bitch, damn it. Don't deny it. Don't deny it. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Don't do that, please. Because if you're doing that, you pisses me off.